Hello, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Mari Martires, Present AVP of Activities, and I am your candidate for Vice President of Activities. You might not know this, but the last time I stood in front of an immense crowd was during my first term in college. Back then, I was still a shortlisted junior officer who played the role of Justin Bieber and Harry Potter during my first ever IMES General Assembly. That was also the day when I knew for a fact that I was going to enjoy being part of this organization. It feels like it happened such a short time ago, but it has actually been already almost 2 years since then. During that time, I started off curious, happy-go-lucky, and unsure where the activities committee would take me. It sounded like a hard job, especially with my being a sobrang, sobrang imba. I wasn't sure if I was really ready for it. But not anymore. Here I am now. Now I'm strong-willed, I'm confident, and I'm dedicated to the same committee and the same organization, which helped me grow so much in knowledge and experience these past 2 years. I am running for Vice President of Activities because I want to build this committee to become stronger and become the best it can be. So it can produce great activities and awesome events which would not only impact me or the officers, not only IMES, but the whole Lasallian community. As of today, I cannot offer you a list of specific changes that I would like to add. But I can assure you of one thing: improvement. Improvement in our committee, and in turn, improvement in IMES. Once again, I am Mari Martires, running for Vice President of Activities.